Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore exciting opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home. In today's video, we have compiled a comprehensive guide on various methods you can use to earn from home. So, let's dive right in. Freelancing is a popular way to monetize your skills and expertise. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients seeking their services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or translator, there are countless opportunities for you to showcase your talents and earn money on these platforms. Discuss the importance of identifying your niche and focusing on your strengths when starting as a freelancer. Make sure to create an impressive profile, highlight your experience, and provide samples of your work. Remember, building a solid reputation and receiving positive feedback will help you attract more clients in the long run. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to earn some extra cash, online surveys and micro-tasks are a great option. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer opportunities to complete surveys, watch videos, or perform small tasks in exchange for money. While these tasks may not yield substantial income, they can be a fun and convenient way to earn a few bucks during your free time. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, content creation has become a lucrative option for those with a passion for sharing their creativity and knowledge. You can start a YouTube channel, where you can upload videos on topics that interest you or provide valuable information. Remember to engage with your audience, optimize your videos for search engines, and explore different monetization methods like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn money from home. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. You can create a blog, a website, or even use social media platforms to share your affiliate links. It's essential to focus on building trust with your audience and recommending products that align with their interests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, feel free to share your experiences and other methods to earn money from home in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy earning.